So today's video tutorial is about how we can use Fxcop in our ASP.NET application, or like how we can configure Fxcop in Visual Studio 2017. So for doing this I'm going to create a new project. So as you can see I have started my Visual Studio. Now what I will do is I will create a new project, file, new project. So for this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply create a class library project. So I will say Visual C Sharp class library .NET framework Fxcop sample. So what Fxcop helps us to do is like it helps us in maintaining our code, and it suggests us to improve our coding standards. So there are two ways that we can use Fxcop. Either we can use VSIX and install in our Visual Studio, or what I can do is like I can have NuGet package for my application. So I prefer going with NuGet package because like I've got a huge team, so I want everyone to see the same bugs which are being generated by Fxcop. So I will simply what do is like I will go to the browse, I will search for Fxcop. So if you see in this list, what I've got is I will be having something like Microsoft.codeanalysis.fxcop analyzers. So it is having around 2.87 downloads. Latest stable version which is available to us is like 2.9.2. So I will simply say install. I'm going to accept it. So as soon as I hit the install button, it will start executing some script and it will start downloading the required DLLs. So if I go in my references and if I browse to my analyzers, I can see that I have got a bunch of new items available with me. So if I see, let's say the first thing, code analyzer version check. So this is like a Fxcop rule set. So let's say suppose that I want to make some changes, or like I want to make some modifications in my rule set. So what I can do is I can go in the properties for this project. I will simply go in code analysis. I will open this code analysis on build. Here I have got the set of rules that which are there. So these are like some standard rules which are available with us. So simply what I will do is I will go back. I will say enable code analysis on build. Now I'm going to save this. So if I build my solution now, I will be able to see some warnings. I won't be able to see much warnings since like I have not created any classes or like any file. It's simple class library and there's only one class made over here. So it has done the code analysis and nothing was found. So let me now do something like public string Fxcop is equal to Fxcop. Okay, so now if I go and build my application, let's say what happens. It will be building successfully, but it is telling me do not declare visible instance. So let's say that I want to get rid of this. So what I will do is simply go here and say encapsulate field fxcop and use property, or like what I can do is I can suppress this if I don't want to make a property for this. So let's go and encapsulate this field. So as soon as I do this, I see that the warning is gone, and let me build the solution again to show you that. So now as you can see, we don't have any fxcop errors coming with us. Thanks for watching the video.